this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Pavoni here. So this machine came in for a loose base repair and a tune-up. So I repaired the loose base by taking off the boiler, replacing the heating element gasket and the two boiler gaskets, which look sort of like this. So you can see the old one is pretty brittle, so that's why the base was so loose. Then I gave the machine a tune-up, so replacing all the gaskets here in the group head as well as in the sight glass, and steam assembly, and also the boiler cap. So I'll show you just a couple of the older parts. Here you can see the old sight glass, the group head gasket, and just a few other gaskets in here. And I did end up having to replace the plastic sleeve as well. So the old one, and also the part of the drip tray here. As you can see, it's broken right here in the middle. That's about it for the repair. I'm just going to pull a shot to show you that everything is working. This is just our test coffee. It's not perfectly calibrated to this machine, but we should still get something pretty good. I did also clean the outside of the machine, so just the boiler and the base here had a lot of coffee buildup, so used some coffee cleaner and then polished it up a little bit just with a towel. Okay. There's our shot of espresso, and then I'll show you the steam. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.